Portland State University is located in the southwest downtown area of Portland. Started back in the 1940s, it boasts itself as the largest university in Oregon with 30,000 students. They have gone extensively green, incorporating sustainability initiatives into every class. Their engineering programs are primarily focused on developing green technology and best practices, and it all starts in the Green Building Lab.
Here we are in the heart of Portland State University's Green Building Laboratory. Greg, it's good to have you here. Tell us about this machine. How do you use this to test green building?
Well, this is a chamber that allows us to simulate hot or cold, wet or dry environments, so we can test different kinds of building materials. For example, this material we're considering putting in buildings, new houses in Haiti, and we're trying to see if it can handle the heat and the humidity in that kind of an environment.
My
so
gosh.
we put this in this chamber.
So this is a wall, an outside wall?
This is the whole wall, outside and inside wall.
All right, and what's it built out of? This is magnesium?
Magnesium with a paper, reconstituted paper core.
And that makes good insulation.
And structural strength.
For tropical market, that's perfect, right?
That's what we're going to find out.
All right.
Okay.
So, and then what else do we have here?
Well, here's a new product that we've been testing here. This is a plexiglass replacement window for storm windows. It's got a new seal, and a local company is trying to see if this is a viable product. So we've been testing it to see, put a lot of heat on one side, cold on the other, see how much heat goes through it.
But this window inserts on the inside of the house.
That's correct.
That's right, but it also gets a nice tight, airtight seal on it as well.
That's the idea.
Yeah.
We're testing to see how airtight it is.
Very quick and efficient, my gosh.
Seems like.
Yeah. What's this thing?
Well, this was the chamber we actually used to test this window. We put really cold air on the inside of the chamber, warm room air on this side, and we can see how much heat goes through.
So this is a thermal bubble wrap?
Yes, with lots of insulation all the way around.
Very interesting.
Okay.
And we have a solar array over here.
Yes, this is a typical photovoltaic panel. We're testing to see how much energy you can get out of this thing when you simulate the sunlight, or we take it outside and actually measure it. And see how efficient it is.
So all these things we're looking at, you're doing for industrial purposes? Businesses bring these products to you for testing?
That's right.
So this lab is helping students understand also what green building is all about.
It's all about the students learning and helping us figure out how these buildings work.
This is amazing, Greg.
For example, I have 3 students working in this lab right now where we're testing green roofs. Green roofs are planted roofs on the top of buildings, and people know they look good, but they don't know how well they work, how well they collect water, or how much energy they save. So we built this facility to test just that.
And so once you take the information gathered, the data gathered, what do you do with it?
Well, we share it with people in industry, people who are trying to figure out how to do a better green roof, a better window, a better wallboard, and then we disseminate that with research publications for the broader knowledge.
Yeah. Who knows about you here? You seem like a well-kept secret.
Well, you do now.
Yeah. Is there anything else in this room that we ought to be seeing?
Well, we have equipment here, very sophisticated equipment to measure the quality of the water that comes off of a green roof. Concerns are if you put nice clean rain on a roof and it runs through soil, it might come out dirtier. So we're testing, in fact, if it is, and if it is, then what you might do to the green roof to make it better. In fact, one of my students came up with a really clever idea to put an additive in the soil and found out that it comes off a lot cleaner. So my student figured that out, she measured it, she documented it, and she just today, in fact, the paper was published.
Clean enough to drink?
Clean enough to drink.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
We're pretty impressed.
Yeah.